The fourth sign that YouTube is not for you if you are not able to travel alone for a little while. Now I got to give a shout out to Infinite Waters, Diving Deep, RalphSmart, raising the vibration. He told me something that nobody else told me. He said, be prepared for the first year to have nobody listen to your videos and nobody watch your content. I did not want to hear that, but that's exactly what I needed to hear, because what it did, it allowed me to realize that I might have to travel alone for a little while, to have nobody listen to you for the first year. If you can do that, you're all right. If you're not willing to travel alone, by yourself, nobody's knowing you, and you can't be consistent through that time when nobody gives a care about you, if you can't do that, YouTube is not for you. You might as well say, I am done. And I almost said I'm done, family. I did a premiere. I was behind the scenes recording my first premiere, waiting for my people to show up. Make a long story short, I was like a kid in the candy store, stuffed animal in one hand, ice cream cone in the other hand, everything melted, nobody was there. I was all alone at my own premiere. Now the good thing about it is I was able to internalize it and realize, you know what? Other people have things to do. So if you're not able to do that and go alone and come out of it even stronger, then YouTube might not be for you. So I made my mind. What I'm doing, inspiring people, I'll always be sharing my gifts and my talents with the world. But I had to travel alone. So if you're not able to travel alone for a little while, YouTube might not be for you. You might as well just say, I'm done. 2 more videos are going to come up on the screen. Now watch both of them. See me over there. Stay blessed, stay positive. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.